What do we got? Friday morning room service. Need some help to pushing it? Oh, that's heavy. Beautiful out. Allegheny Mountains.
Coffee so bad.
Oh, yeah. Look at that blueberry stuffed and cheesecake.
Yeah.
And there's two of those, right?
Yeah.
Blueberry and cheesecake, stuffed cheesecake, French toast. Yeah, it's early in the morning.
Egg sandwiches.
There should be two of these.
There is.
Okay, and
Two of these.
Oh my God! All right, well, how much did that cost? Let's see. $78.64.
Okay, those two. We gotta find a container to put them
Okay. That would take, yeah. All right. I had to show you breakfast at the Seneca Allegheny Casino. Ooh, there's another one, just like the other one. Well, we're having a great time, aren't we?
in. Yes.
All right.